Third question, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Subdivision 1, the given number is 12, 15 and 21. So now we have to find the factors for 12. So 12, it is divisible by 2. We can write 6 times 2, we get 3. And 15, we will write it as 3 and 5 times. And 21, it is divisible by 3, 7 times. So 12 will be written in the form of 2 into 2 into 3, which is nothing but 2 power 2 into 3. 15 will be written as 3 into 5. 21 will be written as 3 into 7. So a HCF of these three numbers 12, 15 and 21 is, we have to take the common factor. What is the common factor here? 3 is the common factor for 12, 15 and 21, and the least power of 3 is 1. So the HCF of 12, 15, 21 is 3, and the LCM is, we have to take the common factor, and not only the common factor, all the factors we have to take plus the greatest power of the factors we need to take. So for 2, the greatest power is 2 power 2, and 3 again 5 and 7, which is equal to 420. Next subdivision 2, 17, 23 and 29. 17, there is no common, it's a prime number, so we can write it as 17 into 1. 23 also, it's a prime number, we get 23 into 1 only, and 29 also prime number, so there is no divisible by any other prime number, so it is 29 into 1. So what is the HCF? The common factor is 1 only, okay, and the LCM equal to 17 into 23 into 29 into 1. We get 11339 is the LCM of 17, 23 and 29. Third subdivision, the given question is 8, 9 and 25. So 8 will be divisible by 2, we get 4 times 2, 2. Again 9, it's divisible by 3. 25, we get 5, 5. So 8 will be written in the factor form as 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing but 2 power 3. 9 will be written as 3 into 3 equal to 3 power 2. 25 equal to 5 into 5, 5 power 2. HCF of 8, 9 and 25 is, there is no common factor, but 1 is the common factor, right? So we can write it as a 1, and LCM equal to 2 power highest factor into 3 power 2 into 5 power 2. When we multiply, we get 1800. Fourth question, given that HCF of 306, of 657 equal to 9, find LCM of 306 into 657. So they already gave HCF of 306 and 657 equal to 9. We know that for any two integers of A into B, we know the formula HCF of A comma B and LCM of A comma B equal to A into B. Here A equal to 306 and B equal to 657. Now we have to find LCM. So LCM of 306 comma 657 equal to A into B, that is nothing but 306 into 657 divided by HCF of 306 comma 657. So we can write 306 into 657 divided by 9. So this number is divisible by 9, so 1 times we get 34. So now if we multiply 657 with 34, we get 22,338. This is the LCM of 306 comma 657. Fifth question. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. This question is similar to the first example. So 6 power n, the factor of 6 is 2 and 3, that is 2 power 1 and 3 power 1. So if the digit should end with 0 means then it should be divisible by 5. So if the number 6 power n for any n were to end with the digit 0, it should be divisible by 5. That is, prime factorization of 6 power n would contain the prime 5. But prime factorization of 6 power n is 2 and 3 only. There is no 5 in the prime factorization. So as per the uniqueness of fundamental theorem of arithmetic guarantees that there are no other primes in the factorization of 6 power n. Therefore, no natural numbers n for which 6 power n ends with digit 0. Sixth question. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So if we need to prove these two are composite numbers, then when we simplify we should get prime factors. So let's see now. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. So we have to consider this as one number and this as one number. So we take 13 as the common multiple. So we get 7 into 11 plus 1, okay, which is nothing but 13 into 77 plus 1 equal to 78 we get. So 13 into 78, which is equal to 1014. Now we take the other number 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Here we have a common number 5. So we take 5 outside. So 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2, 1 we leave it, plus 1, which is equal to 5 into 36 into 28 plus 1 we get 5 into 1008 plus 1 we get 5 into 1009. If you see, now we simplify 1014. So when we simplify, it is divisible by 2, we get 507, which is again divisible by 3, we get 169, then it is divisible by 13. So which can be 1014 will be written as 2 into 3 into 13 power 2, and this one will be written as this is again 1009 is a prime number, so this can be written as 5 into 1009. Okay, so when we simplify, we get 2 into 3 into 13 square and 5 into 1009 as the prime factors. So it is a composite number. Seventh question. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Let us consider this as the ground. So the starting point I represent as a O. So they start both Sonia and Ravi start in the same direction and at the same time. So Sonia takes 18 minutes to complete one round and Ravi takes 12 minutes to complete one round. So first, so what time, after how many minutes they will meet at the starting point? So in this case we have to, for first round Sonia takes 18 minutes, and second, for the completion of second round she takes 18 into 2, that is 36 minutes. So like that, how many rounds they round the ground, and Ravi takes to first round Ravi takes 12 minutes and second round he takes 24 minutes, like that it will go on. So now the question is, at the starting point after how many minutes they will meet again. So in that case we have to find the LCM of 18 and 12, that is the common meeting time. So 18 can be represented as 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18, 2, 9 times 3, 3, and 12 we get 2 times 3. So 12 will be represented as 2 into 2 into 3. So the LCM is 18 can be represented as 2 into 3 power 2, 12 will be 2 power 2 into 3. So the LCM can be the greatest power of 2 and 3, that is 2 power 2 and 3 power 2, which is equal to 4 into 9 equal to 36. So after at 36th minute they both meet. So they will meet at the starting point after 36th minute. Both Sonia and Ravi will meet at the starting point at 36th minute.